Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be diving into the subtraction tables from 11 to 20. आज इस वीडियो में हम subtraction table 11 से 20 तक सीखेंगे. So let's jump right in. Subtraction table 11. 11 minus 11 equal to 0. 12 minus 11 equal to 1. 13 minus 11 equal to 2. 14 minus 11 equal to 3. 15 minus 11 equal to 4. 16 minus 11 equal to 5. 17 minus 11 equal to 6. 18 minus 11 equal to 7. 19 minus 11 equal to 8. 20 minus 11 equal to 9. Subtraction table 12. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. 13 minus 12 equal to 1. 14 minus 12 equal to 2. 15 minus 12 equal to 3. 16 minus 12 equal to 4. 17 minus 12 equal to 5. 18 minus 12 equal to 6. 19 minus 12 equal to 7. 20 minus 12 equal to 8. 21 minus 12 equal to 9. Subtraction table 13. 13 minus 13 equal to 0. 14 minus 13 equal to 1. 15 minus 13 equal to 2. 16 minus 13 equal to 3. 17 minus 13 equal to 4. 18 minus 13 equal to 5. 19 minus 13 equal to 6. 20 minus 13 equal to 7. 21 minus 13 equal to 8. 22 minus 13 equal to 9. Subtraction table 14. 14 minus 14 equal to 0. 15 minus 14 equal to 1. 16 minus 14 equal to 2. 17 minus 14 equal to 3. 18 minus 14 equal to 4. 19 minus 14 equal to 5. 20 minus 14 equal to 6. 21 minus 14 equal to 7. 22 minus 14 equal to 8. 23 minus 14 equal to 9. Subtraction table 15. 15 minus 15 equal to 0. 16 minus 15 equal to 1. 17 minus 15 equal to 2. 18 minus 15 equal to 3. 19 minus 15 equal to 4. 20 minus 15 equal to 5. 21 minus 15 equal to 6. 22 minus 15 equal to 7. 23 minus 15 equal to 8. 24 minus 15 equal to 9. Subtraction table 16. 16 minus 16 equal to 0. 17 minus 16 equal to 1. 18 minus 16 equal to 2. 19 minus 16 equal to 3. 20 minus 16 equal to 4. 21 minus 16 equal to 5. 22 minus 16 equal to 6. 23 minus 16 equal to 7. 24 minus 16 equal to 8. 25 minus 16 equal to 9. Subtraction table 17. 17 minus 17 equal to 0. 18 minus 17 equal to 1. 19 minus 17 equal to 2. 20 minus 17 equal to 3. 21 minus 17 equal to 4. 22 minus 17 equal to 5. 23 minus 17 equal to 6. 24 minus 17 equal to 7. 25 minus 17 equal to 8. 26 minus 17 equal to 9. Subtraction table 18. 18 minus 18 equal to 0. 19 minus 18 equal to 1. 20 minus 18 equal to 2. 21 minus 18 equal to 3. 22 minus 18 equal to 4. 23 minus 18 equal to 5. 24 minus 18 equal to 6. 25 minus 18 equal to 7. 26 minus 18 equal to 8. 27 minus 18 equal to 9. Subtraction table 19. 19 minus 19 equal to 0. 20 minus 19 equal to 1. 21 minus 19 equal to 2. 22 minus 19 equal to 3. 23 minus 19 equal to 4. 24 minus 19 equal to 5. 25 minus 19 equal to 6. 26 minus 19 equal to 7. 27 minus 19 equal to 8. 28 minus 19 equal to 9. Subtraction table 20. 20 minus 20 equal to 0. 21 minus 20 equal to 1. 22 minus 20 equal to 2. 23 minus 20 equal to 3. 24 minus 20 equal to 4. 25 minus 20 equal to 5. 26 minus 20 equal to 6. 27 minus 20 equal to 7. 28 minus 20 equal to 8. 29 minus 20 equal to 9. Thank you for joining us. I hope you had a great time. See you in the next video. Goodbye.